So pag nag-aaway kami, si Kuya John din yung, Kuya John kasi, ganun.
Pinagsama kasi kami.
So kung nabulunan ka na one time in the past
Pinag-uusapan ka namin.
because of you. Pero napaproud ka ba sa amin? Pag
I'm
nakikita
so-
mo kaming tatlo.
I'm so proud of the three of you.
Aww.
I've always known that you three were gonna be real assets for the team, but I knew the three of you are really, parang there's so much meant sa inyong tatlo. Like kay Bea, alala ko yun nung pandemic. So we have these three siblings na nag-umattend na sila sa feast. Parang yun lang build up lagi sa akin ni Kuya Ped. And I'm like, okay, sige, I'll figure out how to talk to them. What are their names? And then yun. And hinanap kita. We started talking one-to-one. I asked you to serve, and I eventually added you to the LG. Okay. Si Laika, I met through Rhea. Parang nung una, parang okay, this girl, she is in her own world.
Yeah.
And then sabi ko, Michael, ikaw na bahala. And then
Oh
yun.
yeah, the LG you have also.
Yeah. And then si Sophia, I
Ano?
knew she was,
Pause.
I knew kasi she's an achiever. So parang sabi ko, she might be one of those youth that school muna, forget everything, nothing else matters muna. It's just ganon. So I'm glad to see na that she, well kasi plus ano na rin, matagal lang sinasabi ng magulang niya na find a way to bring her in. So yun, so
Did you know that?
seeing the,
No.
if you notice, doing my youth activity, it's either always one of the three of you ang bibigyan ko ng malaking
role.
responsibilities.
Because
Kasi
he knows.
I know. I've trusted you for the small things and you delivered. So I can trust you with the bigger things. Aww.
Aww.
Pero kuya, in-expect mo na yung nung pinagsama mo kami. Kasi syempre, pinagsama mo kami as Fasties. In-expect mo na magiging ganito.
I knew the two of you.
Sinong two?
Kayong dalawa. I had feeling ko si Laika. I had a feeling na si Laika yung parang kuya yung dalawang co-fasties. Parang may ganun.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
kinda had
That's
a
true
vibe na
though.
ganun.
Huh?
Did that
Diba?
And
When we
ayaw
were
niya-
fasties,
ayaw niya tayo.
sinasabi ko di kayo maayos mag-reply.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Ayaw niya tayo before camp.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
you were hella busy also.
Yeah.
Nasa Boracay ka nun, girl.
Totoo ba?
Oo.
So you guys called me ate.
Yeah.
I remember.
Guess kung babasahin niyo yung pinaka-unang message sa GC
Hi,
namin.
ate.
Hi, Ate Bea.
Weird.
Yeah. But I am proud of the three of you.
We're proud of you too.
Yeah.